Alright, I've got to tell you something that sounds kind of ridiculous, but is also kind of brilliant. There's this $7 thing, yes, just $7 that quietly builds leads that pays you $6 every time someone joins, and doesn't make you learn 400 new marketing buzzwords just to use it. I was skeptical too. I mean, $7? That's like a fancy coffee and a regret. But Lead Lightning 2.0 isn't some recycled get-rich-quick mess. It's a lean, automated system built with smart AI that brings in leads, closes sales, and hands you commissions while you focus on literally anything else. If you're tired of chasing people down, messaging strangers, or feeling like online income is some elite club you're locked out of, this changes the game. No tech headaches, no nonsense, just a plug-and-play system that pays. Check it out. It's $7, 2 sales, and you're already in profit. Worst case, you tried something smart. Best case, you just found the exact shortcut you've been hoping for. Start for $7 and earn $6 per sale with no cold messaging and no guesswork. What you got to lose? One sugary, overly caffeinated coffee that is overpriced? Get your butt over to the link and see for yourself. Oh yeah, the link is in the description, or somewhere on this page, post, video, etc. Yada yada yada. I often forget to ask for a like or subscribe, so do that too. But first, get the link. Smile first, then laugh your way to the bank. Now would be good. Are you still here? Get off this video. Now get that link.